to autism mathematics. In this video we are to find the remainder when the polynomial f of x is equal to x raised to the power 200 plus x to the power 199 plus 2024 is divided by x plus 1. This is a question on remainder theorem. Now, what is this remainder theorem? If we have a polynomial f of x and then a divisor, maybe x plus a. Now, when this polynomial is divided by x plus a, the remainder r will be equal to, when you equate x plus a to 0, so x will be minus a, will be f of minus a. That is the remainder theorem. So looking at this question, the divisor is x plus 1. So let's equate it to 0. So this implies that x is equal to minus 1. Now the polynomial is equal to f of x, which is equal to x raised to the power 200 plus x raised to the power 199 plus 2024. So this is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 200 plus minus 1 raised to the power 199 plus 2024. Now, when a negative number is raised to a power, an even number, you get positive. So this will be positive plus. And then when a negative number is raised to the power an odd number, then you are going to get a negative number. So this will be negative 1 plus 2024. Now 1 plus minus 1 will go to 0. So we have 2024. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and then share the video.